Hello there and welcome to Chris Motorcycles in Doncaster. This is the 2007 Honda VT750 Shadow that has just come into stock. Real nice clean example as well, only 12,000 miles on the clock, one previous owner, and it's got some real nice extras. We've got the running boards, we've got the crash bars, touring screen, we've got the fog lamps on the front, the driving lamps on the bar there. And we've got panniers as well. Yeah, and a backrest and the back rack as well. So yeah, really nicely well presented Honda VT750 Shadow. As you can see, the bike has got 2 keys, owner's manual, service book, some old MOT certificates. Hasn't done very many miles in the last few years. The bike is HPI clear, and we will supply the bike with a full MOT, a 3-month warranty, and it will go through the workshop for a check over prior to coming out. We can do nationwide delivery for £150, excluding the extremities, top of Scotland, end of Cornwall type of thing. We can offer finance on this vehicle with just £99 deposit. If you'd like a quote on that, please email me or call me. You can call me on 01302 760 967 or email me chrisallmotorcycles@googlemail.com. I'll just do a quick start up of the bike for you. A nice cold start up of the Honda Shadow. There you go, touch of a button. Oh, hold on, forgot to pull some choke out. Forgot about that. There we go. Yeah, that's why I was when you forget the bike's got a choke. So yeah, that's the 2007 Honda VT750 Shadow in stock and available now. Like I say, any questions, give us a call 01302 760 967 or email chrisallmotorcycles@googlemail.com. and if you'd like to keep up to date with these videos on YouTube, hit that like button and subscribe. Have a good day folks. Cheers.